So we've got the, this is what it looks like in a switchboard. So there's 13 circuits here in a 15 module switchboard with an AFDD on the end, so the 2 module device. You can see the wiring on the left hand side, and I think it's a nice way to picture what this is going to look like. So you've just got your main incomer coming into the bottom of your main switch, and then as I sort of mentioned before, that distributes across your bus bar, and then your main neutral coming into your neutral bar, and then up through the neutral terminal block to then distribute again across your Maxbar again. So that's all the cabling needed for the line side of your devices, and then obviously you've got your circuits to come in and terminate on the load side. And then there's a little wiring diagram for a single phase installation on the right hand side. Our reps have access to this. If you do need any more information, we've got plenty of resource. So, but that's there. You can see it's quite a simple diagram. And then obviously, the unprotected circuits as well. There's an option to tie off that bus bar with our connectors to the unprotected circuits or NCBs on a different row if that's how the system's wired. We've got options for the 2-phase installation and 3-phase installation as well. So, these are, potentially a hot water or the controlled loads on your 2-phase side. So again, pretty simple, but we do, if you do need access to these, just reach out to your local Schneider rep and they'll be more than happy to pass this on. 3-phase, we haven't seen a huge deal of 3-phase properties in New Zealand, but I understand that need is growing. So, the option for 3-phase wiring is detailed there. So, potentially splitting the phases across 3 different rows and then using the single phase bus bars to feed those rows. And then the neutral as well. Okay, so the benefits. What is the benefit for you guys? What's the benefit? How's this going to add any value to your business? So, we've said it's 2 times faster. But what does that mean? What does that mean for you? We want to help you grow your business. So, that speed can be used, that time saving can be used to whether it's go back to the office and write another quote or move on to another job, fit another job into at the end of the day, to ensure that cash flow is coming in or work on your marketing plan, whatever that looks like to help you grow your business. That's where we see the time saving, whether that's, if you do want to get home and see your family a little bit earlier, that's fine as well. But we really do see that benefit to your business with that faster installation time. There's no need to be sort of stuck in the switchboard longer than you have to. So we want to show you obviously how to save time and grow your business at the same time. So that max professionalism as well. So we sort of touched on that before, but not only is it a neater and tidier installation, as we sort of touched on, but it's also, it just shows value to your customer to sort of say, look, hey, I want to offer you something that's going to be more valuable for you. I want to help, if there's a earth fault or an earth leakage fault in your home, I want to make sure you guys are still comfortable and you're only losing that one circuit that potentially has that fault on it, and you're not losing 2 others. So it's not affecting you as much as your current solution. So that professionalism piece is a lot about what your business then looks like to your customer. And again, just that the look and feel in the switchboard as well. So if they open the switchboard and another electrician opens the switchboard, you'll stand apart from the rest. So that's what we're talking about with that professionalism. The flexibility, you could potentially go to a smaller board if you're doing a new installation. So maybe instead of a 3-row board, you can utilize a 2-row board and save a bit of money there and space. Just with the slim RCBOs, obviously, it's sort of roughly 50% space saving in the board, but then also the ability to retrofit. So if you're doing a renovation and, obviously with the renovation often comes more circuits, the customer wants to add more circuits for the updated kitchen or the EV car charger, whatever that looks like. You'll be able to save the space in the existing switchboard and replace them all with RCBOs and find space for those extra circuits using slim RCBOs. So that's when we talk about max flexibility. You have the option to utilize a smaller board or leave the existing board as it is.